Hey guys, what's going on? Jed Scott here. We're in my bedroom actually. We're going to do a video today. Well, it's going to be over the course of a period of a few days, but we're working on Dad's 68 Charger dash. Correct, 68 Charger. Style, everything is just faded, and it'd make great for a barn find deal, but Dad's car needs to be beautiful, so we're going to go wash all this with some soap and water. This one's been washed once, but we're going to hit it with some scruffy pad, get all the dirt out of there, and then we're going to paint it black. And I got some of these special liquid chrome pens, which I've tested already, and they work great. I mean, they actually appear chrome. That isn't a good example. I don't know if I have a good one, but it ain't just silver. So yeah, we're gonna do this because we're gonna have to retrim all of that. A lot of work. We got the 1mm, 2mm, and then what I like to call Bertha, the 4mm. So yeah, we're gonna get to work on this. Keep you tuned in so that way, you know, if it's something you want to attempt, you can do this with any dash. It's just simple things, but just keep you guys updated. So let's move on. After scrubbing, I took the video with the little camera there in the bathroom. Just a little scruffy pad and some hot water. Still got some water sitting in there. Went through and cleaned out all these little grooves, and now they're all really clean. And we're gonna take some good pictures to remember what's supposed to be chrome and what might be white, like those. If that'll focus. Yeah, there we go. And we'll get it shot black either tonight or tomorrow. Probably wait till tomorrow because it'll warm up just a hair. Instead of 0 or negative something, it'll at least be 9 degrees maybe. So yeah, we'll shoot it in black probably tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. Here we go. Everything's dry. There's an illusion with the light right there, but it's all black again, satin black. So now all we gotta do is take our handy little paint pens here, which I'm gonna do tonight. Get everything detailed out, let it dry overnight, and tomorrow morning this will be done. Hopefully I get this uploaded tomorrow, so that way all you guys can have a video to watch. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. finally done with everything. All of it is done, and I really wish this camera would pick the actual chrome effect up better. All the chrome is still drying. Well, the paint is drying, I should say. It's not chrome, but it's all still drying. And now I'm going to move all this to the other room so I can edit the video so you guys can watch and enjoy. Just want to, you know, verify you with y'all, you know, how much money you could spend. So here's what we're working with. You can buy your gauge cluster for your 68 or 9B body, and it's going to run you close to $400 to $500 for brand new restoration quality gauge cluster parts. And that's just the face plates. Or you can take your old stuff, and for $30 you can buy these markers, these paint pens, all 3 of these in a kit, some black, satin black paint, and a little bit of time and effort, and you can do this for about 40-50 bucks. And that's saying you already have these, but you can pick some of these up fairly cheap if you're smart about what you buy. So yeah, saving money, being smart, and, you know, doing shit the easy way. So I hope some of you found this video useful, and this will all be going in my dad's 68 Hemi Charger. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, take care and stay cool.